up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Not really much going on this weekend. I'll do a quick tech update. This is how the E's healing. I know it looks reversed right now because we're in the mirror. And then I've got a little tattoo on my neck. I don't know if this is showing, but if you watch the last vlog, you know I got those two tattoos done as of recently. Then I have the one on my back healing nicely. I've had that one for like over a year now, but yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. I got two jeans to drop off today to get altered, tailored. I'm gonna run you through the jeans, what I'm having done to them, how I'm getting them looked after, and just like, I thought it's quite a nice way to just show you don't always need to get new stuff. Sometimes it's worth like just tailoring the stuff that you do have, or getting it looked after, or getting it altered in a way to just give it second life. But yeah, it's currently still baking in the UK, so I just got a vest on, lighting crazy, and my 7th pants, which are my go-to. I'll just probably put on some Birkenstocks maybe, or might just put on some Vans. I don't know yet, but yeah, this is the fit. Nothing too crazy, just white vest and black trousers. I mean, when you've been working out, any reason to wear a vest, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna go do that, go to the tailors. I'm gonna run you through the jeans, show you what we're getting done, check it out. So I heard it's a nice little vintage store. I actually found it online. It's in Hackney, not too far from me, so we're just gonna go on the bus and yeah, new experience, try it. I'm only getting like some touch-ups, some patches done. Waistline and everything on the jean fits me fine. But yeah, we're just, one of them's like vintage, has like a hole in this area right there. The crotch area has like a crazy hole. Can't really wear it no more because of that. So I want that patched up. And then the other bit is like the knee has got like a rip, and it's not always, yeah, at first I thought I liked it, but I thought, hey, I might as well try and get patched up and see what they do to it. I know they like to add little details in this alteration store, so I just thought it'd be cool. And then obviously your boy got a trim. Can't lie, better myself. But yeah, let's head out. Flat update. Floppy's moved back to over here. Togo, couch, windows. Always done a massive tidy. I'm taking no credit for this whatsoever, but always done a massive tidy. The yard's looking absolutely spotless. But yeah, here we go. Got two pairs of denim here. Both of them are Levi's 501s. Levi jeans. This one here has like a rip in the hole. You can see I had it previously there, and it had been patched up with another bit of denim. I basically just want those two patched up with some denim as well. I really like these jeans. I like the fade on them. It's like a nice vintage pair. This pair is like a grail. I think I picked these up in Brighton, I want to say, years and years ago. I undone the hems on these, really like the fading, and yeah, I just remember seeing the fading and thinking it was absolutely crazy. I mean come on, look at the fade, like on body as well. The fade on these looks crazy. So yeah, but it's got a massive hole there in the crotch area, so that was kind of what was stopping me from wearing it. I just felt like something be dangling, so yeah, couldn't really wear those. So taking those two with us, and yeah, then we jump on the bus now and see how it turns out. Obviously I won't get them back same day. I'll probably have to get them like in a week's time, so next vlog I'll update you, but today we're gonna drop these off and see how it goes. Another day, another dollar. We're heading to the farmers market at Victoria Park. Gonna go to a bakery, pick up a sausage roll, some stuff, some food maybe. But yeah, I took my jeans in yesterday to Goose Finds. They had some really cool pieces in there. If you're in the East, check them out. They had some really nice stuff. If you're like a bit on the bigger size, like a size large, it wasn't as much stock for us, but I did talk to him. They said that they're probably gonna start getting a bit more larger sizes in, but for now a lot of the stuff was small, medium. Good mixture, really well created. A little bit of like designer vintage, like old Tom Ford era Gucci, Courage for the ladies. Like it had decent stuff like Saint Laurent in there, so very nice. But then the actual vintage stuff itself, just like it had like vintage Americana, vintage military wear. It was very nice pieces, but just not so much in my size and nothing that really caught my eye as such. I really did like the Gold's gym sweatshirt in blue. I'm still thinking about it. I probably should have tried it on. I knew it was going to be super tiny, but I was thinking of trying it on and cutting the sleeves and making it like a short sleeve sweatshirt. Maybe if I have time when I pick up my jeans, I'll try it on if it's still in there. If it's meant to be and it's in there and it fits me nice when I try it on, it fits me with a little bit of space, then yeah, it might be a cop. Just for the nostalgia and the vibes. But other than that piece, everything else I was kind of like forcing it a bit. I feel like I was looking for stuff, but a lot of stuff wasn't my size. A lot of stuff that I did eye up and like wasn't my size, put it that way. But yeah, Sunday today. We're just gonna head out and see where the day takes us. This is the fit today. It's my normal everyday kind of attire. Some workwear, pants. Probably just gonna put on some Vans. Black vest because it's still boiling here. And yeah, this is it really. Not really much else to the fit. You ready? This is a pig. And it's ginger.
Mm-hmm.
But is it a ginger pig? You never know. Look at this guy. Swag.
The eyes. What was that face, James? There's the ice cream monster.
Nice up there. Hey guys, just gonna round the vlog off here. Didn't really get up to much today, was just chilling out, you know, good vibes, eating, walking around East London, so I don't really have much to show you, but like I said, next time in the vlog I'll show you guys the update on the denim, the repairs that I've done, and like just how they turned out, how they come through. I'm excited to see the pair. Like I said on here, the details that they put in their repairs are a little bit different, a little bit nice. So I'm excited to see what they're gonna do. I'll put their page on screen here to the left so you guys can see as well for yourself if any of you have denim that you want altered or tailored, or just like rips that you want repaired in like a nice tasteful manner, then yeah, we go. But that's it, this vlog. I ain't really got much, no competitions coming up, so sparring has been good, staying in the gym, boxing. Ain't really got too many tournaments or fights coming up as such. I know we want to try and get a few more international tournaments in before the end of the year, so we might fly out to a few different countries towards the end of the year. But right now I'm just locked in on boxing and working. Summer, you gotta run up your money, you know what I mean? You gotta run it up. So yeah, next week's vlogs, we'll see. Might do like a list of my spots in East London. Let me know if you guys be interested in like a list of my spots and where I like to go out, where I frequent, them type places. Cause at the moment it's off season in the amateur, so I've been eating. There's a lot more restaurants added to the list. There's a lot more events added to the list, and a few wine bars. I'm not really a big drinker, but I do like to have one or two glasses of wine with my lady, so, or whoever wants to have a glass of wine or whatever. But yeah, man, there's more spots on the list, so just let me know in the comments below if you lot would be interested in those being added, and I'll maybe make a vlog on like an ideal weekend in East London, or you know, my top spots here in East. So yeah, let me know. As I always say, thank you for watching the vlog, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, commenting, engaging, anything. Keeps me motivated, so I appreciate everyone that comes, watches the vlogs, especially to the end. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. As I always say, take it easy.